Is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett with Forex Executives, and I'm gonna break down CADJPY, right? So I did an analysis on this pair in my video that I posted on Sunday, and I just wanted to talk about this pair because I think we about to get a good play on this thing, man. So right now we on the weekly chart. You can see that we got this nice bearish engulfing last week, and I'm looking for the market to continuation to go short. I'm thinking the market going to continue to go short. I think it's doing a nice little pullback this week. All the Japanese pairs have been rather weak on all pairs. So, that's one thing that I've been looking at. I took a L on Euro Jappy yesterday, little 20 pip loss, nothing too crazy. But, I'm looking for CAD Jappy. That was one of my hot plays for this week. So let's just break this thing down. Looking on the weekly, we got this nice bearish engulfing. So that's kind of giving me my direction for the next week. This candle right here, all right, this is the week. This is this week's candle that's forming right now. All right, so pay attention to that. The market is pushed up. I think it's trying to trap a lot of people that's thinking that this market is going to continue to long. I don't think so, and I'm going to show you guys why. Everything is not a guarantee. I could be wrong. It could just go through the roof. But I'm gonna show you guys why I think this thing is about to short in the next few days. Preferably today and tomorrow and the end of this, for the rest of this week and next week as well. So let's just break this thing down, right? So you can see I had this nice little bullish trend line. The market broke this trend line, and I always talk about this in a lot of my videos. If the market breaks an area, all right, I wait for the market to pull back. Okay, this is one thing that new traders always get caught up in. I used to get caught up in this a lot. All right, I wait for the market to pull back first, and then catch the move for a continuation to the downside. All right, what most traders do is you see this nice little break. All right, and then next thing you know, you want to get short, and then the market goes down a little bit in your favor, and then it pushes up and you get stopped out. All right, so you have to be patient and wait for the pullback. If there is no retest, no entry. All right, no retest, no entry. All right, so the market broke this trend line. I waited for the market to pull back, all right, to this area. It didn't tap the trend line yet. Usually I like for the market to tap the trend line and then give me a bearish signal to take this thing short. All right, but right now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at. The market, I'm gonna show you something, right? If we throw our fib, okay, the main levels on the fib for reversals is 38.2 to 50, 61.8, and 78.6. All right, so this trend line lines right up with the 38.2. All right, so that's letting me know that, that's one confluence that I'm looking at. All right, the market broke structure. It's pulling back to structure. All right, structure lines right up with major field reversal zone. So that's two confluences, and that third confluence, I want to see some bearish price action. All right, in this area, I want to see some bearish price action. If the market pushes up, I want to see a bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar, and that'll give me the signal to take this thing short. Okay, so let's just break this thing down a little bit further. All right, let's break it down to the H4 and see what's going on. All right, so like I said, the market broke this area. All right, it pulled back, and it looked like we got us a nice reversal pattern in this area. All right, so let me just back this up. So let's just highlight this. All right, so we got us a nice little evening star pattern right here. Okay, on the H4. So if I was to be aggressive, I would just do a market execution right now. All right, market execution right now. Put my stop above the high. Okay, and have my take profit all the way down to 81.80. All right, if I want to be a little bit conservative, let's just delete this box. I want to set an entry below the close of this candle. Okay, below the close of this candle. Let's put my stop loss up here, recent high, and take profit all the way down to 81.80. All right, but Do I think the market is going to do that? No. I think the market is going to push up, tap this trend line, and then continue to short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be a tad bit aggressive. I'm going to set an entry up here at 83.50. Okay. 30 pip stop. And 81.80. That's what I said, right? 81.80. Okay? Because that's what I want the market to do. I want the market to push up, which it looks like it's doing. And I want it to push up to this trend line, which lines up with the 38.2. And I'm going to show you guys something real fast. Give me 1 second. Let me just take this off real fast. So you can see that the market pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down, and it's pushing up. And it's potentially making a nice head and shoulders pattern. That's what I want to see. The market is potentially making a nice little head and shoulders pattern. And let me just show you. All right, we got a shoulder here, head here, shoulder here. All right. So typically, right? Typically, when there is a head and shoulders pattern, the left shoulder is lower than the right shoulder. All right. It's lower than the right shoulder. So this is a lot of confluences for me right now. A lot of confluences, a lot of stuff, a lot of things are lining up. All right. So let me just delete some of this stuff. All right. So a lot of things are lining up. So you can see that the market is pushing up. I want to see it push up to this 83.50 area so I can take this thing short. You may be asking, why do I have my take profit at 81.80? All right. So when the market pushes up to these fib levels, these reversal levels, all right, whether it's the 78.6, 61.8, 50, 38.2, all right, it's likely to terminate at the negative 27. Me personally, I don't like to put my take profit right on the negative 27. I like to put it above the negative 27, maybe by 10, 20, 30 pips, because I want the market to hit my take profit. Like, I don't want to chance it, because the market doesn't go all the way to the negative 27, most of the time. It'll come a tad bit above it and then bounce. All right. So I just want to make sure that I lock in some profit. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set an entry up here. Right. I'm going to actually do it on my phone. I'm going to set an entry at 83.50. All right. 83.50. I'm going to give you guys my trade. If you look at this, I'm about to post this video right now. So if you're looking at this trade, if you're looking at this video, you can take the trade if you want to. You don't have to. I'm not telling you to do it. If it makes sense, then do it. If it doesn't, don't do it. This is just one thing that I'm going to do because I got a lot of confluences lining up. All right. I understand that JPY is weak right now, but I think that this is going to be a move that is worth it. Risk management is key. Every trade is not 100% guaranteed winner. I understand that. I know that off the top of my head, and I know what I'm willing to risk as far as money-wise, right? Because that's the key. Know what you're going to risk before you take the trade. I know what I'm going to risk money-wise. So if I lose the trade, it is what it is. I can take that little L. I still got Euro, New Zealand dollar moving, so I'm not worried about it. All right, I'll eat that because if I take this little 30 pip loss, I'm still in this trade right here. Euro New Zealand dollar with a potential 15.5 to 1. All right. So I'm not worried about taking a little 30 pip loss when I'm going to get 357 pips on this trade. All right. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. I'm sorry. Wrong pair. So I'm going to be looking to take my entry right here. If I take an L on this trade, it is what it is, but everything is lining up for me to take this thing short in the area I want to take it short. I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. You got any questions, man, feel free to comment on the video, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And, until next time, man, I'll see y'all later. Peace, hold it down. I hope you have a blessed trading week. Let's finish strong and let's kill the markets, man. Let's go.